Introducing the Skroam Large Airtight Food Storage Containers with Lids, a 10-pack cereal containers storage set that will revolutionize your pantry organization. With its high-quality material and practical features, this product is a must-have for every kitchen. First, let's talk about the sizes. The Skroam flour and sugar containers come in 3 different sizes: 2.5L, 5.2L, and 6.5L. This set includes 6 pieces of the 2.5L size, 2 pieces of the 5.2L size, and 2 pieces of the 6.5L size. No matter how much pantry storage you need, this set has got you covered. Plus, it comes in a beautiful box with a chalkboard marker, 20 pieces labels, and a measuring cup, providing you with everything you need for organized storage. What sets Skroam apart is its commitment to the health and safety of your family. These flour storage containers are made of BPA-free plastic, ensuring that no harmful chemicals will leach into your food. Not only are they durable and reusable, but they are also easy to clean, making your life in the kitchen a breeze. These containers are even dishwasher safe. The Skroam kitchen storage containers are designed to optimize space in your pantry. They are stackable, allowing you to make the most out of every inch of storage. With their clear plastic design, you can easily see the contents of each container, making it effortless to find what you need. You can use these containers to store a variety of pantry essentials, such as flour, sugar, spaghetti, rice, nuts, cereal, snacks, pasta, and more. The airtight locking lids are a game changer. Equipped with silicone gaskets, these lids ensure airtight protection for your food. No more stale cereal or rolling up bags to keep your food fresh. With Skroam, your food stays fresh for longer, preserving its taste and quality. But there's more. The Skroam Airtight Containers set is not only functional but also makes for a great gift. Surprise your loved ones with a neat and organized kitchen. These containers are perfect for housewarmings, Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, and other meaningful festivals. Spread the joy of organization. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international users may require an adapter or converter to use it. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. In summary, the Skroam Large Airtight Food Storage Containers with Lids are a versatile and practical solution for pantry organization. Made from high-quality, BPA-free material, these containers are built to last. With airtight locking lids and stackable design, they ensure maximum freshness and efficient use of space. Don't miss out on the opportunity to create a neat and organized kitchen. Get your Skroam storage containers today.